In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. Synced blocks let you keep one piece of content consistent across multiple pages, update it once, and every linked copy reflects that change. They're perfect for shared headers, repeating instructions, or any info you don't want to rewrite. To create a synced block from scratch, click into your page and type /synced. From the menu, choose Synced Block. Notion drops in a new area with a red border, which is your visual cue that everything inside is linked. Now add your content. You can type directly into the block, or drag and drop existing blocks into it. Paragraphs, headings, images, checklists, whatever you place inside will be part of the synced area. If you are not sure it worked, look for that red outline. That's the indicator that you are editing the synced content. If you already have content on the page that you want to sync, you can convert it instead of recreating it. First, select the blocks you want to include. You can click and drag to highlight multiple blocks or hold Shift to extend your selection. Then open the block menu using the double dot handle or by right-clicking. Choose Turn Into and then select Synced Block. Notion wraps the selection in the same red bordered container. And from now on, those items live together as a synced unit. To use the same content in multiple places, open the synced block and look to the top right corner of it. Click Copy and Sync. That puts a linked copy on your clipboard. Navigate to any other page or spot in your workspace. Click where you want it to appear and paste with Command or Control-V. Each pasted instance is connected. Edit text, move items, or add details in one location, and you'll see the change everywhere else the block exists. This keeps your information aligned without manual updates. Give the content inside a clear title so collaborators recognize it. Keep the synced area focused on a single purpose, like a team announcement or a reusable checklist, so it's easy to manage. And remember that anyone who can edit a synced block can update all instances. So use it in shared spaces thoughtfully. That's all you need to start using synced blocks effectively in Notion. Thanks for watching. See you next time.